Hello, I'm Jessica Ojas Esparago, a karate instructor, a sensei, and also a coach of the Karate Do Varsity here in Xavier University, Ateneo de Cagayan. At the same time, a physical education teacher handling all karate class. When I was in my college years, I was 18 that time. So, start lang siya, passion ko lang, no? Gusto lang ko na mo try another sports. Up to such time na nakabalo ko na ay training sa karate, outside ang gahandle. So, ganahan ko, what if mo join ka ko ana ba? Unsay feeling kay itong grabe man ang karate, ka na bitang madunggan ako na kasagara mga lalaki ra gyud ana ba? Yung mga kanang sinumbaga gidiretso. So, which is sa ako ginuno na to na kay why not try? Why not try? No, I fell in love with the art. Like, it's not only kanang ipakita dito na sinumbaga diretso, but the principle itself behind karate. No, nasa principles na gina-follow. Then, values-oriented siya, grounded with values, very more on the physical activities. Number one, ma-exercise ko. Another one is for myself, no, self-defense, and also I can share it. So, antod nag-excel ko at that time in the Philippine National Game. First time na ako, no, na join representing Cagayan de Oro. At that time si Mayor Magtahas pa ang nagkuan, no. So, I represent Cagayan de Oro for the Philippine National Game, and luckily naka-medal ko, and that was the first, and everything is a history. So that was my first national exposure. And then I've been a champion for brown belt and black belt sa 2000 na siya na year in the Mindanao Shuto Cup and the all Shuto Cup karate tournament or Iwabuchi Cup karate tournament. So I've been champion for straight 2 years for all Mindanao. And then mga tournament lately, no, even in my age karon lugar, I'm 55 years old. I'm 55 years old and still very active in the tournament. Lately, I gather a lot of medals. Siguro kay wala na nakaabot sa ako na time, no, na still very active in karate. And lately, last October, which is my latest, I joined the 16th Funakoshi Gichin Cup World Karate Championship in Japan. So luckily, I'm one of the top 8 in kata competition. But first time na World Cup Karate Tournament. I've been learning the art since 1989 up to now. So it's been a years, 35 years I think. And karon pa na ako naka-experience na. I thought wala na, no? Kay usually ang mga competition, mga batanon pa, no? Ang playing years nimo 18, 19, dia ang highlights ng playing years. Then I am 55 years old, and then first time to compete in a world competition. Murag kana gyud siya always magtatak sa akong mind na you deserve it. I deserve it. Pag-perform nako dito, go Philippines, go Cagayan de Oro, go Xavier University. I'm bringing the name there. Karate is the world of men. And then, I just proved myself na kaya din ako na babae. Babae, kaya na to ang gabuhaton gyapon sa mga lalaki. Bisan o panglalaki na siya, no, na work pareha sa ako, no. Usually makita nato ang mga instructor In the Philippines, is more on the men. World of men actually ang karate. But try. Kaya pala sa babae na mahimong instructor, coach at the same time, player at the same time. Ako si Jessica Ohas Esparago, usa ka babae, and we can be equal.